All right, let's solve for x here. We are given x raised to 4 and 5 equals to 2 raised to 8 on 3 raised to 8. Now, x raised to p on b raised to p is same as x on b all raised to p. So we have x raised to 4 and 5. So we have 2 on 3 raised to 8. Okay, so let's observe them very well. Now we need to solve x. So let's dissolve the power here. Okay. Now the power here is 4 and 5, so we can dissolve it by multiplying both sides by the opposite of this. So this side will be 5 on 4 times 5, 4. So this one will cancel this one cancel. So x, so 4 here, 1, 4 here, 2. So we have 2 and 3 all raised to 10. That is 2 to the power 10 on 3 to the power 10. So that's it.